Good morning, students. Welcome back to another press videos. I hope you all are doing well. So let's fight with Corona. Stay home, stay safe. So in today's video, I am going to talk about adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So let's go. So what does the mean adjective is? An adjective is a word that used to add something to the meaning of a noun by describing the person or animal or place or thing or by describing the noun. But in simply, you can say the adjectives are a describing words that can modify the nouns. Here I have some examples like Bhubaneswar is a big city. I have some rice. The ice cream is very sweet. My brother is very tall. So just look at these italicized words like big, small, sorry, some, very, tall. So these are the words that modify the noun. So that's why these are called, we can call it adjective words. Clear? Then what are the kinds of adjectives? So now kinds of adjectives. So here are some kinds of adjectives like adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Now we are going to talk about each and every adjectives briefly. Adjectives of quality. So these kind of adjectives are describe the kind, the quality or the characteristics of a noun, means of a person or animal, place or thing. So adjectives formed from the proper nouns are adjectives of quality. But sometimes they are called proper adjectives also. Okay, if the adjectives are formed by the proper nouns like Indians, like Indian, Irish, Australian. So these are the words you can call it a proper adjective also. So here are some examples of adjectives of quality like she is a beautiful girl. I have learned the French language. He lives in a big house. So in the first sentence, beautiful is an adjective word because it modifies the noun girl. Then French is an adjective words that come from the proper noun that we can call proper adjectives also. Then big house, that big is an adjective word because it is a describe the noun house. So here is the quality. This is the adjectives of quality. Then adjectives of quantity. So it indicates how much of a thing is meant, or you can say it denote the quantity of a thing. Okay, it denoted the quantity of a thing. It will be noted that the adjectives in the above sentences do not tell the quantity in definite terms. So look at these examples like give me some water, I need a little change, I do not have enough money. So here all these words like some, little, enough, it's not giving you an idea about the exact quantity of a noun. It giving some quantity about the noun. Like some water, some is not an exact number, exact quantity. A little change, enough money. Okay, so these are the words. It shows the its adjectives of quantity. Okay, it does not give you a exact definite terms of quantity. Clear? You can ask a questions like how much. If you want, so if you're trying to make a sentence about adjectives of quantity, then if you're trying to find it, how we can identify the adjectives of quantity, then you can arranging questions, trying to make a question about asking how much a thing, how much. If you're asking like this, then you will get the answers about adjectives of quantity. Then adjectives of number. So it shows how many persons. Okay, how many persons or things there are. Means adjectives number also you can show the cardinal number or ordinal number. Okay, just like adjectives quantity shows the how much. So adjectives number shows how many. So here are the examples like two birds are sitting there. Two is a number. He is the second man in command. And second is a number. This is her first job. First is the number. So adjectives numbers are show the exact number of the nouns. Can show both cardinal numbers and ordinal numbers. Like 2 is the cardinal number and the second the first is the ordinal number. So both it can show. Okay, so adjectives number how many? The adjectives of quantity is how much. Okay, this difference is clear. The quantity how much, number how many. Then demonstrative adjectives. So it points out the specific persons or things that being referred to. Okay, it demonstrates the things directly. Like there are the demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, those. Like this is my bottle. That cat is going to jump. These drawings are perfect. Those apples like sorry, those apples look delicious. So these words like this, that, these, those are the demonstrative adjective. It demonstrate the nouns. That's why that's why we call it demonstrative adjectives. Then interrogative adjectives. So are used to ask questions about noun. As you have already know about interrogative sentences, interrogative pronouns. So it's just like interrogative adjectives are same, but it modifies the noun. So that's why interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about nouns. So they are which, whose, when, what, how, where. So all these WH words we call it interrogative adjectives. Like which book shall you buy? What poem do you like best? Whose car is it? Where is your bag? What are you doing? So here is the most of the examples about the interrogative adjectives. So interrogative adjectives contains all the question words like WH words. Then possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives indicate like possessions or belonging. Now ownership of a thing we have already knew about the in the pronoun possessive pronoun. So possessions possessive is given the idea about the ownership of a thing of a noun. So they are like mine, your, her, his, its, our, your, their. So these are the words that shows you the belongingness of a thing. Like examples, they are our friends. Please give me my book. She lost her bag. Tom closed his shop. So the words like our, mine, her, his. So these are the shows the possessive adjectives. So these are the words are possessive words. Why? Because that shows the belongingness to the things. Like our, whose is our friends, means that belongs to they. So my book that belongs to mine, I. Like her bag that belongs to so she. His shop that she belongs to Tom. So in this way, the possessive adjectives are shows the belongingness. So here I have a small chart for you about the kinds of adjectives and words. Like adjective quality, like examples words sick, he is a sick. Okay, new, careful, black. So these are examples of quality. Like quantity, like whole, some, little, all. Then number one, two, three, fourth, sixth, fifth. So all these numbers. So like demonstrative, these, that, these, those. Possessive, their, our, my, his, hers, its. Interrogative, like all the question words, whose, what, when, where, who is, how. Demonstrative, distributive, either, neither, very, each. So these are the words that are the examples of the different kinds of adjectives. See here I have added on distributive adjectives. Okay, that is either, neither, very, each, like this. And demonstrative, this, that, these, those are using like this, that it is using in a singular noun. These, those is for using as a plural noun. And this, that, this is used if a thing is near to you, like this is my bottle, that is your bag. So if is a thing it's nearer to you, then you can use this. And if it is far from you, then you can use that. Or if it is plural and that is nearer to you, that is these you can use. And if it is plural and that is far from you can use those. Okay, you can say these are my pens and those are your bottles. Okay, so thanks students for being with me at the last of this video. I hope you understand about the adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So this is the first part of the adjectives. Then second part I will come with you in my another video. So till then, see you. Take care. Bye.